Thanks, Michael. We'll see you in a bit. Well, a warning tonight about a dangerous online trend that could be sending people to the hospital. A growing number of people are seeing posts popping up online claiming that if you drink a commonly known laundry soap, Borax, it could have amazing health benefits. Medical professionals say don't buy into those claims. Our Lily Ortiz joins us outside St. Mary's Medical Center tonight with more on the story.
Well, people should always be cautious before trying a new trend. It's suggested to talk to your doctor or do some research first. Now, experts here tell us why this trend is simply a bad idea. Many people are always looking for new ways to feel better or look good. Health officials are working to convince people that one of the latest social media trends.
This is day one of me ingesting Borax.
I hopped on the Borax train.
I jumped on the Borax train.
I have officially jumped on the Borax train.
Borax?
Borax.
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 Adding Borax to drinking water or a smoothie to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain is dangerous and can kill. These videos on TikTok show snippets of people consuming the white powdery substance that's used for household cleaner or laundry. Other creators use it externally to bathe in it. Then you have a majority explaining why this is a horrible idea.
It is originally a compound from boric acid, and boric acid was used as an insecticide to kill cockroaches and mice. So you can imagine that it's not a good idea to be taking such a substance.
It's a household essential, and if you have kids, you might also see it regularly used in slime-making kits. But the mineral in borax is made up of sodium, oxygen, and boron. Too much of it can cause gastritis, anemia, seizures, and burning of your esophagus. Dr. Fischer also talks about the side effects for soaking in it.
Getting kind of a red dermatitis all over their skin with a rash, and they slough their upper level of their skin, that they feel that they're anti-inflammatory, but they're not at all.
U.S. Poison Control Centers consider borax unsafe to eat or drink. Even the company behind the product, 20 Mule Team Borax, has warned against participating in this trend. Their website states to not take internally under the precautions section.
But you don't really look critically to see, is that a trustworthy source? Does the company say to use it for that means?
Dr. Fischer and other health experts warn if you or someone you know ingested borax to call Poison Control right away. In West Palm Beach, I'm Lily Ortiz, CBS 12 News.